This is how to transfer from Skrill to your AirTM account. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to transfer money from Skrill to your AirTM account. This is my AirTM account, this is the balance, and this is my Skrill account. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that the two accounts is logged into, probably on the same browser, to make it easier for you. You need to make sure that your account are verified. You must have enough money in your account that you want to transfer. Find out the charges it will take you to transfer money from your Skrill to your AirTM account. To discover that, log into your Skrill and click transfer. You can see this is the amount I have. So you click transfer, you click Skrill. You can type in any email, just an arbitrary email address. You continue. You type in the amount you want to transfer. In this case, I'm trying to transfer $17. The fee they are suggesting is 55 cents. So we now know that $17 will go because I have enough money to take the charges. You come back to your AirTM account that will receive the money. What we're doing is to add money. You click add on your AirTM account. Add money. You can add that search here. You type in Skrill. You say Skrill, you pick Skrill. You can see if you are transferring 108, the charges will be over $8. $100 will get to your account, but in this case, I'm transferring $17. I'm going to get $14.85. That is $14.85. This is the charges. This is what I'm going to get if I go ahead with this transfer. I'm going to go ahead. When you scroll down, you're going to see the breakdown of the charges. Scroll down further, you're going to see a pair will accept your request. Average time to acceptance is 2 minutes. So you click continue for somebody to accept this transaction. The idea is somebody will accept to collect the money through their Skrill account and will release the money to your AirTM account on AirTM platform. So you click continue. It must be the same as your AirTM account email or an authorized secondary email. So you continue. Once an AirTM peer accepted, you will send $17 in Skrill to your peer. So you click submit. So if you scroll down, this is the first to receive, and these are the breakdown of exchange. So what we're waiting for here is an AirTM peer that will accept to receive this money with their Skrill account email address. This person has accepted to receive this transfer. At the instruction of the transfer, you click I understand. You copy this email address. I'm going back to Skrill to put this email address in this place. Be sure it's the same email address that you copy. Then you click, if you are okay with the email address and the amount, you click continue. The money is sent. So what we are expecting now is to expect the money in your account. So money sent, we have processed the transaction and notified the recipient. So this is the stage of transaction. You enter the information, submit the request, confirm the transfer. I've done all that. I'm waiting for the transaction to be completed. Look at it. You wait for your peer to confirm the amount to transfer in Skrill within 11 hours. After that, mediation will start. But you can see from Skrill, money sent, we have processed the transaction and notified the recipient. You can see that the amount has been deducted and the charges. As you can see, the transaction is completed and the amount has been added. You can see I now have $45.15. The peer has released the fund. So you can do a lot on AirTM. One of the main reasons why I like AirTM accounts even better than Skrill now is that it's so easy to transfer your money to your bank account anywhere in the world, and that includes Nigeria. You can decide to withdraw your money using peer-to-peer. You just click Nigeria Bank. You can decide to transfer the money to your Naira or dollar account. If it is Naira account, you click Naira. I have $45. This is the amount I'll be getting, 32,000 Naira, which is not too bad. It's almost equal to what the black market will pay you. All you just need to do is to click continue and you complete your transaction. You can sign up to AirTM. If you use my link, AirTM will give you a gift of $1. All you just need to do is to ensure you use the account. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So this is how to transfer your money from Skrill to your AirTM account in Nigeria and worldwide. Ensure you watch the next video. The next video will take you a step-by-step process of how to create your AirTM account. Don't forget to use my AirTM link to get a gift of $1 and 9 websites where you can work and do microtask jobs online. Most of those platforms will pay you through AirTM. Please drop your comment. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much.